Coach's Pit BBQ is a veteran-owned company based out of Covina, California. We make award-winning barbecue rubs that are guaranteed to up your barbecue game. We have 3 rubs that are uniquely designed to bring out the best flavor in chicken, beef, or pork. What is important to us all is our products are made in the USA, contain no MSG, GMOs, and is gluten-free. Coach's Pit BBQ dry rubs are made with the freshest ingredients, which means they are all natural, no fillers, so they give you the maximum amount of flavor no matter what you are cooking. Coach's Pit Chicken. This sweet and spicy rub is perfect for poultry over vegetables and potatoes. The sweet brown sugar mingled with spicy chili powder gives you the best of both worlds. Coach's Pit Pork gives you the beautiful color everyone is after on their ribs and pork shoulders. It's also excellent on fish, seafood, and veggies as well. Coach's Pit Beef. This savory rub is going to take your steak to another level. Great on briskets, beef ribs, tri-tip, or anything you desire. Whether you're cooking in the backyard for your friends and family, in the kitchen whipping up a meal for yourself, or competing at your local barbecue competition, Coach's Pit BBQ dry rubs will meet all of your cooking needs. Coach's Pit BBQ is setting the standard for flavor, color, and most importantly, the great taste it delivers. We make it easy for anyone to cook like the pros. Our products are offered online and we ship all over the world. Visit our website at www.coachespitbbq.com and order some today. Join us on our journey to continue to spread barbecue love to our community and the world.